In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own conversational AI agent using the ElevenLabs platform and then integrate it seamlessly with Twilio for voice communication. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional AI agent ready to handle calls and interact with users effortlessly. Let's start with creating your conversational AI agent in ElevenLabs. First and foremost, you'll want to log into the ElevenLabs platform. Once inside, it's time to design and configure your AI agent. This means you'll customize your agent's personality so it aligns with the type of interactions you wish it to have. This could range from being formal and professional to more casual and friendly. You'll also want to set up the knowledge base so the agent is well informed on the topics it needs to address. Additionally, think about any tools your agent might need to use during its conversations, such as sending SMS. These initial settings are crucial for ensuring your AI interacts effectively and naturally with users. Next up, it's time to configure your setup for Twilio. Head over to the phone number section within the ElevenLabs dashboard. Here, you're going to add your Twilio phone number, which is crucial for linking the AI agent to a voice line. To do this, you'll need your Twilio account SID and IUth token, so make sure you have those handy. Once entered, ElevenLabs handles the configuration of necessary voice webhooks automatically, seamlessly connecting your AI agent with your Twilio number. This integration is vital for allowing your AI agent to handle calls smoothly without any manual intervention. After this, assign your created AI agent to the imported Twilio phone number. This step is as simple as it sounds and ensures that whenever someone calls your Twilio number, your AI agent is ready to take over and handle the interaction. Now let's move on to the Twilio configuration aspect of the process. If you haven't already, make sure you have an active Twilio account and a phone number configured for voice calls. This number is essential as it acts as the bridge that connects your AI with the outside world. In cases where you aren't using the automatic webhook configuration offered by ElevenLabs, a little extra work is needed. If you're opting for a custom integration, you'll need to manually set up the voice webhook URL for your Twilio number. This involves pointing to your server application's endpoint. This URL is what will receive TWIML instructions, directing the call flow as per your requirements. It's important to ensure this setup is correctly configured to provide a smooth interaction experience. And that's a wrap. By following these steps, your AI agent will be fully operational, capable of engaging with users over the phone efficiently and effectively. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide sets you well on your way to optimizing your communication strategies with cutting-edge AI technology.